Can't wait to read this book. Oh, hi guys! My name is Leah, and I'm going to be doing a book. I was going to read a book by myself, but I guess you guys wanted to come over. And you can see I got my hair did. It's really beautiful. Okay, today's book is going to be called Green Tractor by Kristen Hamlin. See? Introduced by Valentina Petwan. Okay. This is a rhyming book, so this book is for pre-Kers, first graders, second graders. Friends are coming out to the farm on harvest day. I paused for a little bit. Ooh, you can see a tractor here, green tractor, and a duck and his mama. Oh, ducks and his mama. We have some great big jobs to do. Start up. Green tractor, we need you. You can see the mama and her dog and her kids. Big tires built from Traxxon. Roll green tractor into action. Ooh, look at all these hays. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the green tractor. We're hurt. Hay for it. Lift. You can see another piece of hay right here. Okay, this book is really fun. Go, green tractor, go. You can see the kids waving and the duck again. Build a mountain with a slide. The house of hay with goats inside. You can see the mama and her babies going down and the dog sleeping. The dog trying to go to sleep but smiling. The bunny and a goat. Where did these two come from? In the hay. We can make a perfect place for kids to have a pumpkin race. Clang, clang, strong. Load our buckets on. Go, green tractor, go. Okay, next page. Ooh, look at her hair, it's flopping. And the dog and her kids. Let's see if, they're carving pumpkins. What are you going to be for Halloween? I'm going to be an angel. We make it wider. We dig up and shape. Move, big pumpkin, scoop and scrape. Ooh, look, the kids arrived. We have her daughter, her friend Angelo, her friend Ava, and her brother Michael, his friend, what's his friend's name again? Jendel, Mariah, and we have Jacob. There's 2 Jacobs. Oh wait, let me check and tell his mom. Hello? What is the boy with a blue shirt wearing? What's his name? Oh, okay. His name is Isaac. Sorry, Isaac. Hooray! Here they come. Hooray, hooray. You can see them waving goodbye. Now let's see. Make it wider. Dig it in a shape. Oh wait. I went the other way. My bad. Okay, this page is over. Sorry. Beep, beep, steady. 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 Clink, clink, hatch and ready. Ooh, look at all the kids. And hit the mom. Go, green tractor, go. Happy highway, snug and warm. The strongest helper on our farm. It's green tractor. Let's see if it's the end of the book. It's the end of the book. Okay, I sat down the whole time and laid down and read this. Again, this book is from, her signature's on here. Odin, Sharon, Sabrina, Shogun. And remember, this book is called Green Tractor. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Dang gang. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.